Yes, sir.
Okay, so Ayush, go for it.
Yeah. So can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So hi, I am Ayush Nag and I'm going to present an animal quiz game. So now what does the program works? The program plays the game by asking the question to the user, and if the user guesses the animal correct, you get 1 point, and then it heads off to the next question. And if the user's guess is wrong, it tells the user to guess it again, and the user gets a total of 3 chances for each question. So now what's the logic? At the very first line of code, we create a function called checkGuess and pass two parameters, that is guess and answer, and we create the following variables: score and attempt. Now the variable score keeps a record of the user's score, and attempt is the chances got by the user to guess one question. Now we loop through the program and say while attempt is less than 3, and now if the guess and answer are same, then we say correct answer and break out of the loop. And if the guess is wrong, it will go to the else block and say the user to guess again. And if the chances gets over, then he or she would get 0 point for the question. In the last line, it will finally print the score. Now let me show you the code demo. So, as I said before, we created a function called checkGuess and passed two parameters, that is guess and answer. We create a global variable score and assign the attempt variable to 0. Now, while the attempt is less than 3, we say that if the guess is equal to answer, then we say correct answer and increment the score by 1 and we break out of the loop. And else, if the guess is wrong, then we say sorry, wrong answer, try again, and the attempt increases. Now, if the attempt is equal to 3, then we say the correct answer to the user. Now, here we see we take input from the user and we pass these two arguments, this guess one and the correct answer, that is polar bear, and now it again passes this parameter. Now, if the guess and answer are same, we say it is the correct answer. Now let me run it. Now if I say it's polar bear, then it says correct answer. Now what if I input a wrong answer? Then it says sorry, wrong answer, try again. Then if I keep going writing a wrong answer, then it shows me the correct answer and heads up to the next question. So now again I give the correct answer and my score is 2 since I got one question wrong. So that's all from my side.